just the confidence and knowing that my voice is important. I think that when I was younger, I second guessed a lot. And also the knowledge that, you know, you're going to fail and that you need to have failures along the way. Rather, because, you know, obviously I'm kind of a perfectionist because I went to Dartmouth and Yale and did all those things. Like, so it's hard to know, like, to make work and know it's not, like, you know, like, that's not working, that's not good work, okay, that's a failure, let's throw it away and start over. And I think that is hard. Like, I've always been an artist that tries to, like, I don't have a lot of pieces that I throw away. Like, I try to rework something, and now kind of knowing, like, it's okay just to chuck something and start again. And so there's that part of it, but also that kind of confidence and the importance of voice, I think. And that yeah, that my ideas are different than other people's, and that's okay. And that it's not part of mainstream. It's not necessarily what people are aware of within their own kind of lives, but that's okay. And I think, I mean, I kind of always felt that and knew that, but I didn't necessarily have the confidence to speak to that as much. And so I don't know, for me, that's kind of been a big find throughout life.